My mother grew up in Montego Bay, Jamaica, but in 1977, my mother and her family moved to America because they believed that the States would give them a better life. Her and her younger sister both ended up in 4th grade despite their age difference. African American children disliked them because they were light-skinned with long, thick hair, and their new classmates would pull their hair as an attempt to take it out. They also spoke and wrote in the Queen's English, and therefore had to learn American words and ways of spelling words such as color, favorite, and neighbor, as opposed to color, favorite, and neighbor. Mom never could get 100 on a spelling test because these words were always spelt wrong. Her mother went to the school demanding to know why she didn't get 100. They turned her away and said that that's not the proper spelling for it, and that they had to learn how to spell it the U.S. way. My mother had to learn the right way to spell, and did eventually. She went on from there and earned straight A's, learning more than she might have if she never moved, proving that despite the challenges, moving to the States had given her a better education and therefore a better life.